I really need someone again, to help me contain my pain. I tried to find you, but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame. Here I am, walking down the streets, headphones on my ears, let me get out of this life. Feeling stuck in the lies, like might be seen or disguised. I don't know what happened, but individuals are something we can reckon on. People don't get it, I'm sick of their mistakes, I'm sick of this illness. She drives us crazy while you don't see it. She's hiding and waiting for us to let her in our body. I mean it, open your eyes and admit it. The reason why you can't is because she's in here already. You feel it, you feel lost or a bit stupid. She's eating all the goodness and the sweetness you once carried. Let it go please, be yourself, promise you'll never be directed by someone else. I really need someone again. Of shame. You heard that? It's no perjury, I'm just living and this is my testimony. They just follow money everywhere they go. They just thinking many options to have it all. Lord no, wait, did you only want this? Did you really think currency what the real business? Nobody cares now, we live in unhappiness. MNCs and politics might be the most murderous thing about life. I just feel helpless, I'm just playing dice wishing that it's gonna be better. I put on my sweater on a dark blue day, and in the singing this song I can't do nothing but I pray. I really need someone again, to help me contain my pain. I tried to find you but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame. Of shame. Someone again, to help me contain my pain. I tried to find you but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame.
Les sources du Galeizon. Ouais. On va trouver un trésor, on me dirait. Ouais. Il est beau. Super mimosa.